Hey guys, it's Alvin and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I know it's been 2 weeks since I haven't filmed a video, and for that I'm very sorry. This week's video was completely unplanned and I just thought I had to share this with you. So, I have an Apple Watch. If you did not know, now you know. Today at work was so slow that I decided to check my emails. And then I got this idea. What would happen if I was to go on Instagram on my Apple Watch? Obviously you'd have social media on your watch, Alvin, no shit. But here's the kicker. The Apple Watch can only do so much, and unfortunately this doesn't allow you to go on Instagram. That was an option before. I don't know if they might have taken that feature off, or it might have worked and then they decided to just pull it because it was too much of a distraction. I don't know. But my nosy tech self thought, how in the hell am I supposed to browse Instagram on my watch when I don't want to be on my phone? Sure enough, I found a way. And that's why for this week's video, I'm going to show you a little quick tutorial on how you can get Instagram on your Apple Watch. So if you want to know how to do that, then keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to pull up our Safari app and we're going to go ahead and type in Instagram.com. I see that my Instagram already has me logged in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this link, we're going to hit copy, and then we're gonna go to our mail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna send the email. I'm gonna send it to my email, alvin_perez. Then we're just gonna go ahead and paste it. There's the link right there. It's very important that you go to the actual Instagram.com website and copy paste the actual link from the browser and paste it on there. Once you have all of your links ready, all you gotta do is just hit send to the email, and sure enough, whoosh, it's sent. And that's it, you're done. Okay, bye. I'm obviously kidding. So the next step that we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go towards our Apple Watch, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull that email out and then click on those links to see if it actually does work. Little disclaimer, for this trick to actually work, you must have the latest version of Apple Watch OS, and the version that I have is the version 5.1.3. So if you have that and above, you're all good. Whoa, look at that blue light. Look at that dirty ass room. Look at that ugly ass person filming. We're just gonna set this down. Okay, I'm filming on multiple cameras, so this is kind of weird. So for this one, all we have to do is unlock our Apple Watch, and then we go onto our mail, all right? And there it is. There is that link right there. Open that up, and then we see the Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr links. All right, let's go ahead and open the Instagram link. As you can see, it's starting to load. You'll know that it's working if you see the little green, and boom, sure enough, there you are. You now have access to Instagram on your Apple Watch. But that's not over just yet. We have to log in and see if it actually does work. Hi, how are you? So I'm actually going to be logging in with my Facebook account, which I'm killing two birds with one stone. It's a long process, but throughout the hardships lies accomplishment. Resident Evil. And once you enter that information, you're gonna hit allow and authorize, and sure enough, bam, we are now logged into our Instagram. So the thing that's obviously gonna suck is that you aren't going to be able to see most of the features that you would on your iPhone or your Android. And the stories I've noticed that are, I don't know, they're just a little bit off. Like here, for example, let's go ahead and tap this story right here. Obviously, you'll see this picture, you'll see the story, tap through to see the story, next story, etc, etc. Oh, that was actually my friend Ellie Faith's profile. I didn't even see that. Hey, Ellie, what's up, girl? But yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Enjoy scrolling your Instagram in the comfort and the privacy of your own workplace. No, I'm just kidding. Don't actually scroll through your workplace if they don't allow you to use Apple Watches, because that's not cool. Anyways, well, there you guys go. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to get Instagram on your Apple Watch. If you guys like this video, then as always, please make sure to give it a big ol' thumbs up and drop a comment if you know any other Apple Watch hacks to make my life and everyone else's life easier. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go finish playing Resident Evil 2 Remake. I haven't finished it yet, and I'm currently playing Claire's first scenario too, so I'm excited. So it's gonna be a long night. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this week's video, and until next time, I bid thee farewell. Goodbye.